Hi, we're going to take a small walk through the garden. Here is my chamomile, isn't it beautiful? And I'm just going to show you a few things. The rhubarb's still thriving really well. We're cleaning up this garden here. We're going to hop over into the greenhouse next, but I just wanted to show you a few things. We have tomatoes planted here, right here, all in cages. A pretty viola plant right there. Here's our lupin going to seed, another chamomile. Home Ted Tessie, you'll be getting one of these chamomiles. And we have another chamomile here. This here is all hollyhock. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. It did a lot of spreading. A lot of spreading. Here is borage, and there's borage there. Ray, what's that stuff coming all over the garden? I forget.
Borage.
No, the other stuff.
Sweet Annie?
No, not Sweet Annie. We've got a lot of this yarrow. Different colors yarrow coming up. This here's all borage.
The bees are right in it.
I know the bees are in it.
Yeah.
And it tastes like cucumber. Not going to go too far because the ground's uneven here. Got some more yarrow there. Some more borage. We've got something coming up here and something here. This here is going to be all zinnias. And we've replanted. Love Lies Bleeding is there. All right here is catnip. We've been trying to grow it so we can harvest it. We got a lot going, different stuff this year going here. I wanted to take you over Love Lies Bleeding again. We've got a lupin there. And we have a lupin here, and a lupin, and a lupin, and a lupin. Ray said I had a whole bunch of berries on my blueberry plant, but I don't see any. The deer come in and they eat. They were making a nest here of some sort. I don't see. We're going to have to do a whole cover-up of the blueberries. This here is, oh gosh, I know, it's the coneflower, which the name, what's the name of the coneflower? I just can't think. Echinacea. God, I know it as well as my own name.
Beautiful too, finally.
We've got to get some weeding here. This here is all echinacea. It's going to be beautiful when it comes up. And here is some green peppers Ray's got going. And I think he's got a path through here. This is all plants. Look, there's borage and borage and borage. He made a cage last year for the yarrow. You can see the beautiful colors, all yarrow here. This here is orange mint and borage again. He is currently working here. This here is all yarrow and borage. We are so blessed to have beautiful plants. Look at the violas. They come up on their own. Just beautiful. These here are cosmos. And some more cosmos and more. And that, look at that, that's all yarrow right there. I see I gotta pay attention to where I'm walking here. This here's all cosmos. I'm standing in half of the row. This here is cucumbers. We run a water line. I can see that the beetles are on it hard. And I'll be cutting some of this for cut flower. I sell cut flowers. In here is spearmint. I can understand, Ray, why you want to take half of that mint out. It's really taken over the garden. And this here is morning glory. And the wind took the fence over, and I think I'm just going to let it go this year and let the morning glories just go over the fence. Again, oh, Ray said he's not. I don't know what he's doing.
What's that?
Yeah, Homestead Tessie, more chamomiles for you. Oh, look at that.
I have no idea what that is.
That looks like a verbena.
Oh, really?
Beautiful. There's another patch of rhubarb. We've got, how much rhubarb we got a cop? 50 pounds?
25.
25 pounds of rhubarb today. We have an order for rhubarb. Right here's some more mint. Here is my peas. They look wonderful. Usually I have them for the 4th, but we had such wet weather, we couldn't get them in. Look at this blossom. Isn't it beautiful? This here, I think, is Mexican sunflower. We have mint. This is the beautiful rose bush that was gifted to me. And it's very, very old. And it's got a wonderful fragrance. We are trying to kill out some of the mint there. Here is lemon balm. Here is some leverage, and this here shows it's going to go to seed. See, I just took it. What you do is you take it and just pull it off. Just like that. It's gone. This tastes like celery. Right here, this is all coming up from last year. This is calendula. This makes wonderful tea. I'll be harvesting this for tea. And there's some cosmos there. It's okay, we're just gonna leave it right there. Got a sunflower there. And over here I planted, Love Lives Bleeding. I planted basil. This is all the basil here. We have it covered because the bugs love the basil. Right here is pizza thyme. Oh, and it smells wonderful. And here are glads that come up on their own. They really need to be divided. We didn't know what we were gonna have. We got Sweet Annie over there. We've got oregano coming up. All different kind of herbs right there. And then, let's see. Here are some more beautiful ones. Okay, we're hopping to the greenhouse. Okay, going into the small greenhouse. These are all cherry tomatoes. They grow very, very well in here for me. I'm gonna have to loop them up a little bit more tomorrow. Yep. So you can see it's a little bit cleaner and picked up. Got still more to go, but I'm doing a lot. Been gardening. I got a lot going on. Let's hop to the big one. Hi, welcome to our larger greenhouse. I'm so thankful to have this greenhouse. Right here, I believe, is early girl tomatoes. They're sitting on very nice right there. Ray this year wanted to try leaving the leaves there because it holds moisture when you water. And I totally can understand that. And we've got more coming there. I'm pretty sure this is Celebrity or Early Girl. I had a tag, but I guess it's gone. I do have a tag here, though. What's this one? Oh, San Marino. San Marino, right here. We're coming up to them. They're a lot smaller. Allie, when I bought this, I thought of you because you're the one that introduced me to this San Marino right here. So these are my tomato plants in here. I'll hop over to my raised bed. There's my beans. They're doing well. Look at the beans there. I'm going to come in and start poking beans through everywhere. I've got another row here that I've started. And right here is, oh gosh, what do they call this? I keep forgetting the name of it. They call it spicy basil, but what it is, it's, I can't think. I can't think what it is. But it's basil. And beans are sitting on there. That we've been having winds. It's taken my plant and moved it over. The ones from here down don't seem to be growing so well, and I don't know why. It's the same soil. As you can see up here, they're doing great. These are supposed to be long, skinny beans, so we'll keep an eye on them. Right here is broccoli and another broccoli plant. Here is some onions, all beans again. Yep, my little city to sit on. It says, hello, sunshine. Hello, sunshine and lollipops in. There's my garden cart. This here is going to be my water barrel, and I'm going to put it way down there. And this here is garden salsa peppers. They look absolutely wonderful. Here in Maine, your peppers grow great when you grow them under black plastic. And you can see I've got a flower right there. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. Right here is potato chai. And tomorrow I might be doing a video on how to make chai vinegar. I've got still some small ones here that I'm going to try. I don't know what tomorrow will bring for me. Right here is my celery. It's doing great. Anytime there's anything dead like that, you want to pull it out. You don't want to get fungus. Right here is my Brussels sprouts. I think they look great and wonderful. Big difference from last year. These here are ace peppers. Here's a little one right here. Hate to touch it. There's another one. And there's some more there. And again, down this section here doesn't seem to want to grow as well. I don't know if it's because we're getting so much wind. We've got the lumber there to start building the back door. But this is my garden. I wanted to show you. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm doing the indoor gardening, and Ray's doing the outdoor, and I'm helping him take care of that with the plants. It's just I can't be walking on uneven ground. Look at these beans, would you? They're supposed to be long and skinny, so we're gonna see if they do grow long and skinny. And what I'll do is, see, they're falling over. I should stake them up. Look at that. I'm so happy. I'm going to be doing a lot of canning. You'll be seeing some, you want this taken right off. You'll be seeing canning videos from me. You'll be seeing a lot of different things, more homesteading stuff coming your way. So if you like that, I hope you stay with me. And I'm going to stop it now because the rain is starting to come in. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye now.